Hey YouTube! So welcome to my new video. You're watching on HeavyFoot. So today for this video we're gonna unbox a couple boxes, and I'll be showing you guys stuff and giving you guys news about my car. I mentioned that I was gonna get my car repainted. It's finished, it's over, it looks great. I'll be doing a video soon and posting it afterwards. So yeah, let's start. So for the first part, I got a radio for my car. Since you guys know my car is from Japan, the FM broadwidth is not the same thing as here. So yeah, I got a radio from a subscriber that I got on Instagram, and so yeah, I'll show you guys. It's the OEM radio. So yeah, exactly. So you guys are pretty familiar with this OEM radio. You can have it in an MR2 Spider or an MR-S, and it also comes in the Toyota Celica. So it's very handy. But I was looking at my connections earlier, and I don't think my radio will be able to hook up directly to my car. So I got this radio pretty cheap. What I'm thinking of doing is either buy the connections that I need, or probably just get a new radio and go with something with Bluetooth and something that has an aux to it, so I can listen to my phone and do different things with that radio. So yeah, that's the first part. Alright, so now for the second item. Let's start with this red bag. This is something really special that I got from Japan while ordering my car. I just got a chance to open it, and yeah, I'll be showing you guys. So it's a small version of the Toyota MR-S. It's really nice, so I'll make sure that you guys can see this on the camera. So yeah, I'll open it real quick. Give me a second, guys. So yeah, it looks really great. It's a Toyota MR-S with a TRD package on it. It's really a GT300 car, and I think it's something I'll probably keep in my room or in my garage, just as a reminder of what kind of car I have. So race car performance, and yeah, so it's a really neat little toy. It was costly, but I really think I'm gonna enjoy it. So again, yeah, and it's really real too. So like when you look inside it, you can see the driver's seat, you can even see a shifter. There's only one seat, a bucket seat, and you have Advent, Yokohama, all kinds of sponsors on the car's body, and it's, yeah, I really like it. It's really neat and a great little toy. Alright, now on to the third one. It's not really a part, it's just something for maintenance for my car, and you guys probably guessed it. Oil, of course, oil. It's a 1ZZ. We all know that 1ZZs have oil consumption problems, and yeah, my car needs a quick top off, and so I'll be doing this later in the afternoon and making sure the engine gets some oil in it. So you guys can see I'm using Royal Purple. I usually use a Mobile 1 or Valvoline, but unfortunately Canadian Tire was out of it for the small gallon ones. They only have the big jugs. So yes, let's move on to the fourth and last one, and I think you guys will enjoy it. Alright, so the fourth one is something really dear to me. I got it from a subscriber again from Instagram. You guys are pretty familiar with Midship Runabout. He has a little shop. He designs and creates parts for our Toyota MR-S or Toyota MR2 Spider, and yeah, so let's begin. So yeah, I got a TRD quick shifter for my car. It was really expensive, but I think it's something worthwhile. It's something I'll be able to share, and keep in my car, and this was given to me by my brother as a graduation present. So I thank him a lot, and yeah, let's open it up. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4 bushings, and here it is. Here it is, the TRD quick shifter. So I really hope it improves my shifting and also improve my time. And just let's try. It looks kind of weird and funny. Yeah. Oh no. It looks good. It feels good. Very nice. So I'll be displaying so you guys can see. So again, TRD quick shifter. It's obviously discontinued. It was built 14 years ago, so it's really rare and not everyone has it. Yeah, so I'm really happy with it right now. I will install it in my car and see in terms of performance what I think of the throws with the OEM shifter, and I'll definitely comment back and let you guys know, so if you guys want to get some. And the 4 bushings are right here, so 1 again, 2, 3, 4, and so yeah. For myself, I shift with my left hand, so you guys know I drive a JDM, so it's a bit different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this would probably be my reverse, but this one is a 6-speed, and I think I have to do some modification or customization in terms of my reverse, because my reverse is usually right and down. So I'll let you guys know too in the comments too. So it's a really nice piece. So yeah, I got the quick shifter from Midship Runabout. It's a TRD quick shift. Second, I got oil. Third, I got the radio from an Instagram subscriber. And fourth is the little car that you guys were able to see in the red bag that I got from Japan. So for the radio, I'm thinking of probably selling it to someone. I will probably put it on eBay, so you guys can contact me by email or just write a quick comment in the comment section, and we can go we can follow up. And so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for listening, and again, have a nice day, and subscribe and like this video. Take care, guys.
We about to turn it on.